Hello traders, how's it going? It's Daniel FX right here. In this video, I want to teach you a very high probability trading strategy in which you need to focus on. This is my price action strategy, like I promised you guys I'm going to share with you guys. So in today's video, you have to pay very attention because this strategy is A1 strategy. Now there's a concept I want us to follow in this strategy, which is basically market structure. You get, once the market breaks a swing level, a swing high, a swing low, that is indicating market structure that it is bullish or bearish. So it's expecting a pullback and continuing the movement. So that is what we're going to be doing here. Now we are on the 24-hour time frame. On the 24-hour time frame, we want to look at the current swing structure. As you can see, the market was coming from a downtrend and it has broken this previous high and traded to the upside. Now the first thing you want to do is bring out your fib. Like I told you guys, basic market structure. Bring out your fib and you want to look at the key levels. Now the key levels in which the market has left behind, we have the 0.7% level, we have the 0.6 level, we have the 0.5 level, and what else do we have? We have 0.3 level. Now those levels are no longer valid because you can see the market did not respect them. Now I want to remove our fib and go down to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, there are key important things you want to look out for. Other blocks, a channel. Now a channel is a passage in which the market has traveled, or a swing level in which the market has a swing structure in which the market has created, and you connect all of them using trend line. So like I told you guys, other blocks is very important. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can also see the same thing. This structure here has been broken, which indicates that the market has broken a 4-hour key level, which is the structure right here. This swing low has been broken and the market was successfully able to trade to the downside side. Now first of all, I want to mark out these other blocks, so we'll be on the right breakout block, so we'll be on the right part. So those of you that know how I teach other blocks, this is another block right here, but it has failed. You can see that there's a fair value gap inside there. Now the next thing we want to do now is mark out this trend. Now the market is giving us a bullish vibe. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we do not want to skip anything. We want to do the same thing here, so we can see where our target is going to be, take profits. So we're going to be on the right path. Now on the 4-hour time frame, the market is currently at the 0.3 level. Good, that is where the market is currently at, and with the 0.5 level is not yet tested, so it's free. The 0.6 level is free. What else is free? The 0.7 level is free as well. Now I want to remove that, and sorry, I want to change the colors. I'm supposed to change the colors so that we won't be jam packing them together. Now the 0.7 levels are going to be using black. I'm going to be using black. 0.5 levels, we use black, and 0.3 level, we're going to use black as well. Now for everything on the 4-hour time frame, we use black, so you can use the color that suits you, but as you can see, it's quite different from what is happening on the daily time frame. Psychological levels on the 4-hour time frame is different from psychological levels on the 24-hour time frame. Now the next place first we want to go into is the 1-hour time frame. Now currently, like I told you guys, the market sits on a breaker block. So now what you want to do is you want to study everything that arrives at this other block. That is, from this structure to this structure, you want to study all the patterns, all the channels. What I mean by channel, this is what I mean by channel. All the swing highs and swing lows it has created. And the market created this, and the market created this. Now this is the current chart pattern it has created. Now in a channel, dynamic channel, all we need is 4 touches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're expecting a boom to the upside. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Next move we're expecting is a buy to the upside, because this is giving me some bullish vibe, but we are not going to be predicting, because we are not predicting what is happening in the market. Now I want to highlight this other block right here so that we're not going to skip anything. Always remember, other blocks are very important. They play a crucial role in your trading. Now that is an other block right there. As you can see, that is another block right there. Now I want to head over to the 15 minutes time frame. That is where we're going to be stopping our analysis. We don't want to go below that. And you can see that this chart pattern, if you can look for this is a chart pattern. As you can see, I've forgotten the name, but this is a chart pattern, as you can see, and this is giving some bullish moves. Now as you can see, same thing, this swing structure, this high has been broken by this bullish move, and like I told you guys, we're not skipping anything or leaving anything behind. So we're going to drag this all the way to the upside. Good. Now we want to mark out what we see. This is the 0.7 level, this is the 0.6 level, and the market currently sits at 0.5 level, which means the market is trading currently at that price level. And next thing we want to do is mark our trend line. Our trend line, what is happening? What is happening at the trend line? Okay, sorry, that is not where we'll start from. We'll start from here because that is where the trend line originated from. Good. Now we have two touches. For those of you that understands how channels work, whenever there's a two touches on a trend line, the market has respected it. And looking at this trend line, you can see that we have a lot of candlestick touching this trend line, and we still have a lot of candlestick coming and leaving this trend line, which simply means this trend line is likely going to do what? Hold price for us. Now what do we see here? We see the market bouncing at the trend line, and this is the 0.6 level. 0.6 level. So what am I trying to say? If the market is to bounce and come back to this level, we can expect to see a chart pattern or a candlestick pattern to take us to the long upside. Now I'm going to place my long position there and target this 1 hour order block, and this is how many pips? 49 pips. So this is a very smart way to do analysis. So thank you very much. If you love this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.